Just had a quick breakfast in Tarifa, sorted out our tickets, passports, and we're off to Morocco.
Say hello.
Hello. We're just about to leave, which is really exciting. Some last minuters coming on.
This is the old town of Tarifa. First drop of rain in Spain. Staying mainly on the boat.
It won't come across on camera, but there's a rolly swell and it's making the boat yaw. And there's someone who doesn't want to speak to me at the moment. She's green.
Willkommen! Ich wie heißt Rashid und der Driver ist wie heißt Michael Schumacher. Please, ladies and gentlemen, now we are in the beach walking area. We call it the Avenue of Spain Avenue. It's a beach walking. We have many hotels. This is for the high season. In the summertime, now we are in the low season. Not the marina, not the marina. Dieser ist die Strandspaziergang auf der Stadt. Dieser alles in the high tide in the summer. Ladies and gentlemen, first we're going to driving you to the center town, and then we're going to leave the bus in the heart of the town and we're going to walk to the restaurant for your lunch. The lunches would be typical Moroccan lunch, including the drinks they are not included. And after lunch we walk a little bit in the Medina, we do some shopping, and then we return back to the bus and we go to the countryside. We go to the residence quarter, to the Sultan Palace, Cap Pater, and then we go stop for the camels in the Hercules caves, and we'll return back to the port. It's time for you to passport before the boat. The boat leaves at 6 o'clock on local time. now we are in the old Jewish quarter. We call it Medina. The word Medina is Arabic word. That means the town. But for us, that means the old town. It's the old Jewish quarter. The Jews, they are the Sephardists. They coming from Granada and Cordoba. In 15th century, when the Queen Elizabeth of Spain, she decided to take out all the Arabs and the Jews, they come to live around here in the Medina.
You'd never find your way out.
One euro. Romania. Arrivederci.
Okay? Yalla, enjoy please.
This is going to be a viewpoint. Where's the man in the red? There he is. Oh, we're on the northwest African coast.